Principal of the Kingston-based Jessie Ripoll Primary School, O'Neil Stevens, and his wife, Kamisha Lindsay Stevens, were laid to rest yesterday in an emotional church service. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. It was an emotional moment for the family, friends and well-wishers who turned out in their numbers in order to pay their respect to the principal of Jessie Ripoll Primary School and his wife, Kamisha Stevens, at their funeral service that was held yesterday, which saw hundreds turning out. The principal, O'Neil Stevens, and his wife, Kamisha, were on Saturday remembered as a power couple who touched the lives of thousands and shared endless love for family, friends and people with whom they came in contact with. Tributes for the two nation builders whose lives were cut short in a motor vehicle crash in January were made during a Thanksgiving service held at the Most Holy Cathedral on George Headley Avenue in Kingston. The funeral was attended by hundreds of people from Jamaica and other parts of the world. Many of the mourners wept openly as they remembered the couple's positive impact on everyone around them during their lives. The couple, who was vacationing in the United States, succumbed to injuries sustained in a motor vehicle accident while reportedly en route to the airport to return to Jamaica. Scores of people were in attendance, including relatives, friends, students of the school, government officials, among them Education Minister Dr. Donna Morris Dixon. In her tribute, Dr. Morris Dixon lauded the late couple for making a significant impact and contribution to the nation, noting that their passing is a tremendous loss. Links 007 TV News Report was on hand and captured these emotional moments.
Actually became a part of evaluating other principles, and so he became a part of the whole infrastructure to select good criminal courage to articulate and implement it. He's a man of optimism who encouraged others to see the brighter sides, who would often play on the word, reminding us that great leadership is built on strong values. It is no surprise that you hear all of these wonderful decisions. A woman who was a professional in her own right as culture, and after the show, I enjoyed hearing from her colleagues about her professionalism, her belief that behind many a great man is an equally amazing woman, and we should one of those amazing women. As a leading and excelling in her own life, she stood and worked proudly with her husband at every juncture, sharing his vision and pouring her heart into the school community. Together, they created an environment where students thrive, parents, and whole primary was truly felt. There are great examples of the kind of family that we need more of in Jamaica. A strong and present father, a supportive and dedicated mother, raising beautiful children and instilling the values of dedication, hard work, service, and love of God.
Mr. Stevens maintained a healthy principal-teacher relationship that supported and empowered his staff, provided resources, training, and professional development. One did not easily know which member of staff he was having an issue or problem with, because he dealt with every matter on a professional basis. As a team player, his skills were sought after as motivational speaker, workshop presenter, peacemaker, problem solver, just to name a few. He served as a dedicated NSEL panelist, receiving the Aspiring Principals Program Award. Kamisha exemplified outstanding work ethics and professionalism. She was dedicated to her role at Scotiabank, as we heard, and consistently went above and beyond to prioritize her clients' needs, ensuring that they received exceptional service and support. Her performance was consistently excellent, demonstrating a strong commitment to excellence in everything that she undertook. She met and fell in love with O'Neill, and from then on the two were inseparable. They were wed on July 3, 2021, and their union produced one child, Gabriel.
He was committed to his students. He was committed to his work. He was an advocate for accountability in the education system. And the permanent secretary knows how much the Ministry of Education could rely on him. He never said no when we asked him to support the ministry and other schools. He was among the first principals to develop descriptors for the grade 6 guiding principles of the teacher profession appraisal instrument. He was also ready to take on new challenges as he would educate himself to contribute effectively to any new developments in education. He was competent and astute to navigate the issues raised and to represent Jamaica and our education system to the best of his ability.
Sounding sweeter all the time. Seems like lately it's always on my mind. Okay, I leave this world behind. Forever, something sweeter all the time.
I had to be here. It just was a really great sermon and a great send-off. And, she'll be truly missed. I'm just here looking and just, giving my last respect.
Heart-rending to know that we lost a very high-spirited, a beacon of hope that Jessie has lost. It has left mark on us that we will never forget.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.